Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your smart speaker EDIFIER MS50A. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search at the right bottom. After that, click at the search line at the top, and if you have iOS 26, you will have this search line at the bottom. Now, write EDIFIER HOME and search. And you should install this application, what's called EDIFIER HOME. After that, open, allow while using the app, allow, and allow. And we did it! In the next video I will show you how to add the speaker to the application. So if you don't know how, you can check that video at this channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!